Good morning, children. Welcome to the summer camp of APS New Kent. Children, today we are going to make a picture collage using old school magazines of your APS New Kent, Allahabad. So, I have taken two magazines. You can take 2 to 3 magazines, or even if you have one, that will do. Okay, children? And now we will be doing the collage. Before I do the collage, I like to explain to you that the word collage is taken from the French word coller, meaning to glue. Collage is a piece of art made by sticking various different materials such as photographs, pieces of paper or fabric onto a backing. Children, you can make collage of different things on different topics and using different shapes and colors. So children, once again I want to welcome all of you to the summer camp. I'm sure you are enjoying the activities that are taking place every day, and I also want to say that take care of yourself, keep yourself healthy and keep following the COVID guidelines. So here we are going to start with the collage now. So let's begin. What do you need for a collage? For a picture collage, we will be using old school magazines. Here you can see I got a old school magazine, and here is another one. 2 magazines I am going to use, and you will also be needing pencil colors, oil pastel colors, pencil, rubber, a scale, a few sketch pens, scissors and glue. Here I have got a normal paper cutting scissor, and I have also got a zigzag paper cutting scissor. I am using 2 magazines over here. You can see these are school magazines. I am sure you are having these magazines at home also. Every child must be having 1 or 2 magazines. Here is another school magazine. I am going to use this magazine for making the collage. I have already taken out some pictures. Here you can see I have taken out some pictures from these magazines. You can also take out a few pictures which you like. Whichever pictures you like, you can take them. Of drawings or whatever is given in the magazine, of functions. So here I have taken out some pictures. Now I have decided to make a shape. I have decided to make the shape of a book. So first you have to draw a shape. Here I am drawing the shape of a book. Now take sketch pen and make an outline of this shape. I am giving some shading so that it looks like a book or a magazine. Now children, take some colors, crayons, and lightly shade. You can take some green, some yellow, can take some blue, orange, So lightly you can shade like this. With the help of your parents or in their guidance, you can use scissors to cut out some pictures which you like I am cutting. You have to just cut it out randomly. You can make small, you can make small curves, you can turn and twist the picture, your scissors, and you can cut out some pictures. So let us start pasting these pictures. First you can put these pictures randomly as you wish. Here you can see I have tried to incorporate some of the important features of a school. I have put the picture of principal ma'am, I put the picture of some teachers, I've shown here the logo of the school and the name of the school. I've tried to show some sports activities, and here I've shown exhibition and tree plantation, some art done by the children, a picture of annual function, and here a picture of exhibition. And you can see here an officer, sir, is also looking at these pictures. As you can see, children, I have tried to place some photos, some pictures from the magazine. Now next thing is to paste them or to glue them. Once you have set the pictures, just start gluing them in their place. First you can put a little bit of Fevicol and put the pictures. Later on, you can put more glue once you have actually set the pictures. First glue them a little, then after all is set, you can glue some more pictures. Here you can see, children, I have glued them a little. Once you have glued them a little, you can actually see whether the pictures are set nicely or not. Once the pictures are set nicely and you are sure, you can glue them a little. If some place you feel the picture is running out of your frame, you can of course clip it or keep it a little. So here you can see that I have glued these pictures. In this way, children, you will make your picture collage, and you can also write a theme or a slogan over here. Here I will like to write. Children, here you can see that the collage is complete, and we have taken various aspects of the school in this collage as was given in the school magazine. Now, you know that this is the Silver Jubilee year and our school of course is the best. So here I have written one thought about the school. I am going to write it, and you can also write any good thought or view which you have about the school or a slogan. We have now completed our collage. I hope you have understood how to make a collage. Here I would like to add one more thing, that you can choose various shapes related to the school. Here I have taken the shape of a book. You can choose the shape of a pencil or eraser or a pen, or any shape you can choose and make your collage. Thank you, children. I hope you liked the video. God bless you all.